What do a sheep, a duck, and a rooster have in common? They were the first passengers to take to the skies in a hot air balloon. Believe it or not, these unlikely aviators marked the beginning of humanity's journey into the skies. Welcome to Makers Unveiled. Join us as we take off into the world of hot air balloons, exploring their origins, evolution, and the fascinating process behind their manufacturing. Our journey begins in the late 18th century, when the Montgolfier brothers, Joseph Michel and Jacques Etienne, launched the first untethered hot air balloon flight in 1783. Their pioneering spirit captured the imagination of the world and marked the dawn of human flight. That historic flight proved that living beings, even animals, could ascend into the sky and return safely. Just a few months later, humans joined the adventure, with Jean-François Pilatre de Rosier and François Laurent Darlande making the first manned flight over Paris. Since those early days, hot air ballooning has evolved dramatically, from scientific exploration and military use to becoming a beloved recreational activity. Balloons have come a long way. Modern balloons made from lightweight, durable materials are designed for safety and comfort, allowing more people than ever to experience the joy of floating above the earth. While hot air balloons were the pioneers of flight, the evolution of lighter-than-air travel didn't stop there. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, dirigibles and blimps, which are steerable and powered, became the next step in aerial innovation. Unlike hot air balloons, blimps are filled with gases like helium or hydrogen, providing lift without the need for constant heating. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a seeker of serene experiences, hot air ballooning offers something truly magical for everyone. So buckle up and prepare for takeoff as we embark on an unforgettable journey into the skies. Let's lift off into the enchanting realm of hot air balloons. In the heart of Marrakech, Morocco, balloons lift off at dawn, drifting gracefully over palaces in the rugged Atlas Mountains. Similarly, in the surreal landscapes of Cappadocia, Turkey, balloons rise to greet the early morning sun, casting shadows over ancient fairy chimneys and vast valleys. But why at sunrise? It's all about the atmosphere. The early morning brings stable winds and cooler temperatures, essential for safer and more predictable flights. The dense, cool air offers better lift, and the calm winds ensure a smoother ascent into the breathtaking dawn. As we delve deeper into the craft of balloon making and the science of flight, we discover that each balloon's journey from fabric to sky is a testament to human ingenuity and the raw power of nature. Join us as we unravel the secrets behind these gentle giants of the sky and witness the beauty they capture at the break of day. Stay tuned and let your spirits soar with us. Our journey into the art of hot air ballooning begins at the very fabric of flight, the envelope. In vast halls, the material is prepared, a precise dance of lasers cutting through fabric, plotting the birth of a balloon. Every cut, every measurement is meticulous, ensuring the majesty of the skies is matched by the precision of production. The sewing of the envelope is a craft in itself. Seamstresses and craftsmen tackle the mammoth task, piecing together large swaths of fabric, a tapestry that will soon dance with the winds. Adding load tape and suspension cables is a testament to the robustness required to cradle passengers amongst the clouds. As the envelope takes shape, the bucket, or basket, begins its own metamorphosis. Steel and aluminum, selected for their unyielding strength and feather-light properties, are welded and bent into the basket's skeleton. Rope is threaded, canes are woven with ancestral skill, over and under, crafting a structure that is both sturdy and supple. Edged with leather for protection, the basket is not just a carrier but a cocoon of safety.
Fun fact: the basket of a hot air balloon is traditionally made from woven wicker. Wicker is chosen not only for its classic aesthetic, but also because it's incredibly strong yet flexible, which helps it absorb and cushion the impact upon landing. Moreover, wicker is lightweight, which is crucial for maintaining the overall weight of the balloon setup minimal. This craftsmanship has been a part of balloon making since the early days of ballooning in the 18th century and continues to be preferred for its durability and natural ability to withstand various weather conditions.
It's then tethered to the very heart of the balloon, the burners. These dragons breathe fire into the balloon, lifting adventurers into the embrace of the dawn. A heating coil surrounds each burner, which is responsible for providing heat to bring the lift. The heating coil is constructed by a stainless steel tube wrapped around the coil. A reinforcement band riveted around the coil fortifies its structure. So when the pilot ignites, the flames heat the coil, transforming the propane, flowing into gas. But before the dance begins, a rigorous symphony of quality assurance plays out. The envelope spread wide is first inflated by the breath of a cold fan, then embraced by the warmth of the burners, ensuring leaks or holes are found. The crew then performs a comprehensive inspection to ensure everything works properly before commercial flight. And as a new day dawns, the process begins anew. The fan breathes life, the burners cast a golden glow, and as the cold air is vanquished by the heat, our balloon rises, a testament to human ingenuity and the age-old dream of flight. With the sun's first light gracing the horizon, our balloon ascends. In this serene moment, we are reminded that every journey skywards is built upon the foundation of extraordinary craftsmanship and a passion for the skies.